Hi dear learners, I hope all of you are having a great time with your friends and family. If you want to mesmerize your conversation by including popular phrases and idioms to sound like a native, then this video will help you out. Because in this video, I'm going to talk about 35 plus phrases which relate to color. If you want to write down these phrases, you can use different color to mark them as the phrases are. Okay, with no more further delay, let's get started. Well, first I'll talk about few phrases which relate to white color. Our first phrase is a white lie. It means a minor or harmless lie about a small or unimportant matter. When you have a situation, we don't want to hurt people by telling the truth. In that type of situation, we can use this phrase. As an example, we can say, Rashid told a white lie when his father asked where he was going yesterday. Our next phrase is a white elephant. It means something that is a waste of money or of no great value. If we want to talk about our possession that costs a lot of money but has no great value, then we can use this phrase. As an example, we can say, nowadays the cottage at the lake is really become a white elephant for me. Okay, our next phrase is white collar. It means office worker who is not doing any physical work. Basically, this phrase relating to those people who do mental work rather than physical work. As an example, we can say, university prepared me for a white collar job. Our next phrase is to whitewash. It means to cover up something or to avoid something being noticed. Sometimes people want to hide their bad deeds. In that type of situation, we can use this phrase. As example, we can say, many people try to whitewash their crimes, but their excuses don't change their monstrous deeds. Well, the last phrase related to white color is raise a white flag. It means one has accepted defeat and surrenders to the other party. When you want to talk about surrenders, then we can use this phrase. As example, we can say, alright, I raise a white flag, you win the game. Okay, now I will talk about few phrases which relate to black color. The first one is black and white. It means absolutely clear concept about right or wrong, good or bad. When we want to talk about a person who is greatly experienced in a particular field and has the ability to identify good or bad, right or wrong in that particular field, then we can use this phrase. As example, we can say, John has a black and white sense of digital marketing profession. Okay, let's move on to the next one. That is to black out. It means to lose consciousness. When someone suddenly loses their consciousness, then we can use this phrase to describe the situation properly. As example, we can say, I don't know what happened, he just blacked out. The next one is in the black. It means making profit or successful. When you want to talk about the present condition of a company or a business that is making profit, then we can use this phrase. Let's see an example. The company is finally in the black. Okay, now I will talk about few phrases which relate to blue color. Let's see the first one. First one is out of the blue. It means to happen quite suddenly. When something happens unexpectedly, then we can use this phrase to describe the situation. Let's see an example. Out of the blue, a deer came in front of my car while I was driving. The next one is blue blood. It means someone who belongs to a noble, aristocratic or a wealthy family. If we want to talk about a person who belongs to a noble family, then we can use this phrase. Let's see an example. Many of the blue bloods in our town are invited to the royal wedding. Let's see another phrase which is related to blue color. That is feel blue. It means someone feels or looks depressed or disconnected. When we want to talk about sad feelings, then we can use this phrase. Let's say example. John was really feeling blue when she told him she was leaving tomorrow. The next phrase is once in a blue moon. It means very rarely, not very often. When something happened unexpectedly and rarely, then we can use this phrase to describe the situation. Let's see example. That kind of chance comes once in a blue moon. You should have taken this. Okay, the next one is blue ribbon. It means to be of superior quality and distinction. By using this phrase, we can talk about a person's quality, especially the best quality. Let's see example. A blue ribbon panel of experts were invited to investigate the current situation here. Well, let's see the last one, which is related to blue color, that is blue collar. This phrase relating to those people who do physical work rather than mental work. A few minutes ago, we have learned a phrase that is white collar. Blue collar is opposite of white collar. Let's see example. The policy has been tough for blue collar workers and the poorer people. This is the end of today's session, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon